Good morning, friends and lovers of biology. This is Mr. Vikas Kumar Jha. I am interacting with you on a very relevant topic, that is fundamental units of life. You study carefully lecture number 7, where you study briefly on accounts of nucleus. So this topic, and today you will study topographical. You write topographical sketch of nucleus. My question is that topographical sketch of nucleus. So first of all, you know that nucleus is made up of various components, that is cell membrane, nucleoplasm, plasma chromosome and chromatin material. So here all things become involved. That is chromatin material, that is nucleolus, that is nucleoplasm, right. Today very relevant topic is Golgi body. Golgi body. So question arrived in your books that says what is Golgi body? So membrane bonded strikes membrane bonded strikes arranged in membrane bonded organelles arranged in strikes called cisternae. Membrane bonded organelles arranged in strikes, that is strike fashion, like that man. So membrane bonded organelles arranged in strikes called cisternae. These are made up of 3 elements. First, cisterns, 2 layer. Second, vacuole, vesicle. So membrane bonded organelles arranged in a strike fashion, that is called cisternae. These are made up of 3 types of filament. one is cistern, another is vacuole, and another thing is vesicle. All of them become arranged and then that form cistern, Golgi body. So your question is arise, what is the function of Golgi body? You write. Next question is function of Golgi body. Involved in cell segregation, act as a storage of enzyme, mucus, hormone, it is simple sugar to complex sugar involved in formation of lysosome. These are three functions of Golgi body. First of all, my dear students, you know that Golgi body arranged in a striped fashion, and each fashion are known as cistern. And cisternae become two layer up and down, and between them they have two compartments. One is vesicle and another is vacuole. So here you know that what is the function, what is the supports of Golgi body within a cell. So Golgi body become involved in cell segregation. First of all of material, that is mucus, enzyme and hormone, that are secreted by Golgi body, so stored within a cell with the help of Golgi body. First function is cell segregation, act as a storage of enzyme, mucus and hormone. And second question you have, you take complex food material like this, that material, that is carbohydrates, that sugar, simple sugar are break down into complex sugar is break down into simple sugar. And for third important question you have that Golgi body involved in a formation of lysosome. So Golgi body have major supports, major function formation of lysosome. Thanks my dear. I meet you in next session, that is lecture number 9. Okay.